family members and listeners alike, let's continue to go to work and let's look at 7 sectors and 7 positions in those sectors that are prime candidates to get us P.A.I.D. Now, each sector has a number of top stock picks waiting for savvy investors to find. These are the stocks that the best analysts on Wall Street are bullish on and have serious upside potential to boot. Now, what yours truly does is I set out to find the best stocks in each sector that presents a compelling opportunity for you, me, we, the ASK THE WIZ Wealth Institute family to get P.A.I.D. And then I filter by sector and for stocks with only a strong buy per analyst consensus ratings. And to get the best results, I then select ratings from analysts with a high success rate and average return per recommendation. So now, let's dwell into the top picks for each of these 7 sectors. We're talking about tech, services, consumer goods, financial, basic materials, industrial goods, and healthcare. I repeat, tech, services, consumer goods, financial, basic materials, industrial goods, and healthcare. I'm going to start out with tech and Alphabet, aka Google, trading under the symbol GOOGL. Now, tech giant Alphabet still has big upside potential according to the best analysts on Wall Street. The 12 months, $1,075 average analyst price target from only top analysts translates into 8% upside from the current share price. Meanwhile, in the last 3 months, the strong buy stock has received 23 buy ratings and just 4 hold ratings. Now, Alphabet released strong Q2 results on July 25th, beating Street's estimates on both the top and the bottom line. And gross revenue of $26 billion came in 1% above the Street expectations. Now, analysts are saying and pointing out that this results equates to Google's 30th straight quarter, more than 7 years of around 20% organic revenue growth. Such growth is unprecedented, okay, especially for an asset of this size, $100 billion, okay, with a $100 billion revenue run rate. Now, analysts continue to believe that Google is or Alphabet, is one of the strongest, most consistent fundamental stories in tech. And we would be well advised to keep our mind and our eyes on Alphabet, aka Google, trading under the symbol GOOGL. Next sector I want to go into, picking out the A-grade, #1 knock them out of the park companies that will get you paid, is services. And I want to bring your attention to FleetCor. FleetCor Technologies, symbol FLT. Now, FLT provides payment services for businesses and has the analyst's seal of approval. In the last year, the stock has received just 1 whole rating, just 1. And in the last 3 months, 8 top analysts have published buy ratings on FLT. Now, on July the 13th, Citigroup raised its FLT price target from $165 to $180, which works out as an impressive 17% upside from the current share price. And Citigroup's analysts, say that the second half of the year is an opportunity for strong results and multiple expansion for the company. Now, indeed, over the last 3 months, insiders have snapped up FLT shares worth $1.13 million. And insiders upping their FLT investments include 2 directors, At the end of the day, this is a particularly interesting situation developing, given that before these last 3 months, the stock only had insider sell transactions in the last year, not buy transactions. FleetCor, symbol FLT. Next company I want to give you is in the consumer goods sector. Talking about Micron, symbol MU. Micron, symbol MU. Now, semiconductor stock and Apple downline supplier Micron Technology has soared by over 34% in the last 6 months. And despite a recent pullback, it looks like the stock still has plenty of upside potential left. Now, this particular position, talking about MU, okay, is believed by analysts to present an attractive investment opportunity. And this particular company still has a very, very capable position that breeds optimism when you look at the underlying supply and demand trend in flash memory and dramatic random access memory known as DRAM. Okay? Micron, symbol MU. Next company I want to give you is in the financial arena, talking about that Key Corp, symbol K-E-Y. Key Corp, symbol K-E-Y. Now, as one of the largest banks in the United States, Key Corp has received back-to-back buy ratings for the last 3 months. And analysts believe the stock has big upside potential of 19% on average. Now, Key Corp's main subsidiary is Key Bank, which has over 1,200 branches across the United States. Now, analysts are telling investors to take advantage of these post-earnings prices that are aligning themselves with Key Corp's symbol KEY shares. And they're looking for a serious upside potential of 27.1% from the current share price. Key Corp in the financial arena, symbol KEY. Next sector is basic materials. And this particular position has been paying us in the ASK THE WIZ Wealth Institute handsomely ever since the Donald Trump victory. We're talking about Vulcan Materials, symbol VMC. Vulcan Materials, symbol VMC. Now, Alabama-based Vulcan Materials Company is the U.S. largest producer of construction materials, including gravel, sand, asphalt mixed, and concrete. An uptick in public construction projects has a big knock-on effect on Vulcan. Okay? Vulcan is considered the rock star of the materials industry. Now, VMC is estimated and expected to have a 24.6% upside within the next year as a result of the proposed Donald Trump infrastructure program. Next company I want to give you is in the industrial goods arena and sector, talking about Delphi Automotive, symbol DLPH. Now, this innovative vehicle parts manufacturer is a top stock that you want to keep your eye on. Going into the earnings arena, just recently on August the 2nd, Delphi Automotive, symbol DLPH, had a strong buy recommendation by analysts. And they were looking for a 14% predictable upside throughout the balance of this year. And the stock does indeed have a strong track record. Delphi beat estimates in all of the trailing 4 quarters. Now, Delphi has exposure to autonomous driving without the risk of, say, Tesla Motors. Now, I talked about Delphi a couple of ASK THE WIZ Wall Street Classroom Not Walls radio broadcasts ago in the past. And Delphi is the best positioned company to benefit from ongoing secular auto tech shifts. Now, Delphi's role as the systems integrator or enabler of sensor fusion is key to the autonomous automobile industry. Delphi is expected, like I indicated, to have a double-digit price increase to the upside. Delphi, symbol DLPH. Next sector to get your P.A.I.D. in the healthcare sector is Edwards Life Sciences. Edwards Life Sciences, symbol EW. Now, this heart-focused medical company certainly has the streets backing. In the last 3 months, the stock has received 7 buy ratings and only 1 hold rating from top analysts. Meanwhile, the average analyst price target suggests over 12% upside for EW over the next 12 months. Talking about that Edward Life Sciences Corp. But the street may well be underestimating EW. On July 26, Edward Life Sciences raised its guidance for the full year of 2017 following very strong heart valve sales. The low end of the new range now falls above Wall Street's consensus. Edwards' adjusted 2017 earnings come in at $3.65 to $3.85 per share, whereas the previous range was just $3.43 to $3.55 per share. And for Q2, Edwards delivered an EPS of $1.08, easily beating the consensus estimate of 88 cents. Edward Life Sciences, symbol EW, sector healthcare. Delphi Automotive, symbol DLPH, sector industrial goods. Vulcan Materials, symbol VMC, sector basic materials. KeyCorp, symbol KEY, sector financials. Micron, symbol MU, sector consumer goods. FleetCor Technology, symbol FLT, sector services. And Alphabet, symbol GOOGL, sector technology. 7 sectors with 7 superstars contained therein that are poised. They get YOU, P.A.I.D. And family members,